So today we are going to have an interesting case study, very latest case study, which I found in the Harvard Communication House. Okay? So the name of the case study is the company Whoz. This company is actually launched a Agentic Studio platform. So this platform, how it works, no? It is actually like a workforce analysis, and it creates a workflow for the workforce screen. Here, workforce means the people who are working in any company. So it will be providing the different agents, like for example, staffing. It will monitor the employee's performance. There is a specific agent. Then another agent where it will be identifying the talents of the people, and it will pull the people's skills, and it will recommend the people to work in different timings. Also, it will allocate the project, and it with all these kind of individual agents, it is able to increase the productivity of the employees. Also, it is helping the people to learn more through the reinforcement. So this kind of projects, how it will fit it through for the industry space, it will reduce the cost of planning, and it reduce the cost of training the employees. So based on the employee strength and weakness, these agents will be tracking the information, and it does assessment everything in automated mode, and finally gives solutions. So now the problem of this case study is whether it only having scope for all the type of industries in future. Otherwise, it's creating any kind of burden or confusion among the industry. So, Agentic AI, though it is a very powerful applications, how we can make out of it. So, we need to analyze this case with a complete empathy, with a definition of understanding this case scenario. And finally, we need to incubate this idea with the prototype and the ideation part. And finally, somebody can tell about the testing part. Yes, who can talk about the empathy in speech? Says.
Ibna and about the empathy phase, the HR and recruiter finds difficulty in
Yes. And Edwina,
I'm going to talk about the empathy phase. HR and recruiter finds difficulty in recruiting the people to manual way by reading the resume line by line, which takes more time, so that it is more time complexity, which is not in this fast world. We need to save the time according to our needs. By doing that manually takes a lot of time. So I thought it is a waste of time of doing that. But for this, doing it automatically can make the resume build more powerful, so that we can recruit the people fastly in this past generation. So for this, we have created the AI agent Whoz. So that was the solution for the fast moving technology.
Of course, I made the point. You have empathized on the burden of the like HR managers. So your empathy, her empathy, what she had brought is absolutely right, because there are too much of recruitment process. It takes a month of time. So maybe with this context, the employees payroll system or employees academic system, employees recruitment system, everything can be taken care and automated. So we move on to the definition stage, how this problem can be conceived in our Agentic AI level, how it can be provided solution.
So I'm Hasnishri. So in this Whoz, they create a workforce of a platform that uses a AI to choose a right employee, so that it can reduce the time and reduces some manual works, and also make it easier. And also it is a trusted one because it chooses the right decisions, and also the data are being safe with them. And also it is used by the human also. With the human approval, it only used in the platform. In an example, in a real world example, there is a company, the project leader, they chooses an employee. So the data analytics of this, they chooses using AI, they chooses a right employee by their skills and benefits, and they listed of a problem, so that it can make a problem easier, and also it does not have any burden for inquiry, sir.
Yes, good on Honey. What you are saying that you are defining that the right solution and decisions can be the outcome of this kind of Agentic AI applied employee workforce. So good on that. And what about the ideation stage? How we can incubate this Agentic AI projects or the future enhancement, and what kind of things can be added to this?
Okay, and Pooja, I'm going to explain about AI. So we can have a number of ideas to this, because in a company there will be a number of teams. So the manager is in the position to choose the correct member to the team.
So when he starts to analyze the records, he may get 20 to 30 people for a single team. He will be confused like. So then he can use a smart agent where it matches based on their skills, their projects, and the past projects are they already done in their previous team. So it's going to be a segment. Then the manager role is to monitor the dashboard with number of employees they have been chosen by the agent. So he's going to be approved or he's going to be disqualified. So they're going to be three modes. The first one going to be a stale cut mode where the AI suggests someone with the required skills. Then he's going to be picked or he's going to reject it. Then the next mode going to be the completely automated mode. If there is a significant need in the team, there has to be a developer in the team. It has to pick someone, right? So it has to play the fish in the role, right? So the agent going to automatically pick the member. So again, we can choose a team builder agent. So after the smart agents pick the members, we can automatically form a team based on the available members in it. So the prototype is going to be with two types of agents: the smart AI agent, then the team builder agent. Then we can add one more, if possible, the bench optimization. If there is a member who is idle in the company, he can also be part of the already picked team. So that's it.
Good, Kavya, Pooja. We were completing this review of the dashboard. Like as you mentioned, the 4 agents, a team builder. Even we can suggest agents for capacity planner or profit analyzer in future. This kind of Whoz applications, Agentic Studio. Also, as you said, in the 3 dashboards, like one is like workbench, it will analyze the idleness of the employees and it provides insight. Another one is recommendation, suggestions, and finally automation, team automation. Good. And how all these things are integrated, and finally how this integrated studio can be tested, how it is working functionally. So that part, can you explain on that? See.
Now I am going to explain about the testing phase of this. First of all, the launch of the selected companies and the measures. It has the few measure points. First of all, it should be user satisfactions and then the accuracy by using the AI recommendations, by security and the compliance by all these. And it's mainly Musuk or the major components.
Good. Your testing is like very spectacle. You want to track the security and how the usage of the accounts, whoever is connected with the stakeholders for this application. Very good. I think from all your insightful design thinking phases, we got to know that this kind of Agentic Studio, the product of Whoz company, which was launched in November 2025, will have a long lineage in future. So many companies will adopt this because of improving employee performance, also improve the quality of the product or services what they are offering, also increase the productivity and get the profit out of it. So thanks for joining this forward case discussion. We need another case discussion. Thank